The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by United Vein and Vascular Centers.
Welcome back to Bloom. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths that develop in the uterus and can cause symptoms from heavy or prolonged periods to pelvic pain. Many women suffer the symptoms because they were only offered a hysterectomy as a solution. However, there is another treatment option available. Joining us now is Dr. Gamal Wazni, founder and CEO of United Vein and Vascular Centers, along with patient Natalia Alfazar to tell us more. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Wazni, let's start with you. Can you tell us a little bit more about this condition and how it impacts women?
Yes. Uterine fibroids are growths that occur within the uterus or on the uterus. And these growths will cause abdominal pain, pelvic pain, back pain. They also lead to heavy menstrual cycles with severe cramping. The bleeding could be prolonged. It could lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue. Sometimes they lead to urinary problems or bowel problems. They could be pretty troublesome.
Yeah, and I actually had a friend just go through this, and she did get a full hysterectomy, and I didn't realize what a journey that is. It sounds like the procedure that you offer your patients is much different.
Correct. The procedure that we're offering has been around for some time. It's a vascular procedure where the patient is able to walk in, get it done in less than an hour, and they're able to walk out, go home the same day. Within a week, they're back to normal activity. Again, it's a small vascular procedure done in the office, and there's very little downtime, and most importantly, you get to keep your uterus.
And Natalia, this is something you decided to do. Why?
Oh yeah, for sure. Actually, about 3 months prior to finding out about UFE, I was scheduled for hysterectomy. And something in my head, I was like, I really don't want to do this, you know? So the gynecologist at the time, she said, well, you're scheduled for this hysterectomy in 3 months. I'm going to put you in birth control, you know, just to help keep the blood inside your body before the procedure. Took the birth control, and it made things worse. I bled for the whole month, and I said, okay, there have to be another solution. So I Googled, and sure enough, United Vein and Vascular Center popped up, and I said, I'm going to give them a call. Had the consultation, and it was the best decision I made.
So it was an easy recovery?
It was a very easy recovery for sure. About 6 to 10 days. Oh yeah.
That's incredible. And you think about it, doctor, I mean, there's so many complications that can happen with a hysterectomy, and then, you know, women do have hormonal problems after that.
Correct. Removing your uterus can lead to hormonal issues early on. In addition to that, the uterus is gone, so that can lead to other problems. Having a small vascular procedure done at your doctor's office can accomplish the same goal with your fibroids, preserve your uterus, and it's much safer.
And we're really lucky to have a skilled doctor like yourself able to do this procedure, which, like you said, has been around for quite some time, and you say it's offered under insurance.
Correct. These procedures, whether it's a hysterectomy or the small vascular procedure done at United Vein and Vascular Centers, are covered by all health insurance, whether it's Medicaid, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and many of the other carriers.
Natalia, any final words to women out there watching?
Wow. My advice to women out there would be there are options. The option would be a uterine fibroid embolism. Look into it, contact them, ask questions if you have any concerns. They would answer them for you. Do it. You know, it's one of the best decisions I've ever made, honestly.
Oh, that's great to hear. Well, thank you both so much for joining us on Bloom.
Thank you.
All right. Call right now, 813-437-4580, or visit unitedfibroid.com to schedule your fibroid consultation at one of their locations. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by United Vein and Vascular Centers.